Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Lyngz.
ïaroh ka Kamala Harris ya ka India khmat jong umodi ya ki kam bakhraw jong ka India ha ka Pyrthei ka Vice President jong ka US ka Kamala Harris kala ïaroh ya ka India khmat jong Prime Minister Modi ya Prime Minister jong ka India la khos hada ka US ban dia don bentalang ha White House ka Kamala Harris ka badai ka Vice President jong ka US ka badai trashnong na India kala ong bakalayu ya ki kam basbun jong ka India haka Pyrthei ka Vice President jong ka US ka Kamala Harris kala ïaroh ya ka India baki vaksin lane ki dawa injek bala shna da ka India kila pen im ya ki breu ha Afrika ka Kamala Harris kala susu baki jingya long parlok jong ka India bat kiwei kiri jong ka Pyrthei ka ai ya ka India ya ka jing ruspa bat ya ka jing shngan ka Kamala Harris kala ongru ngatip ya ki kamba phla jong ka India haka bai dei bat ka jinglap jingsiam ya ki aka haka liang ki dawai dashin bat kum juru haka liang ka science ka Kamala Harris kala ong ngatip ya kane kum ka khun jong ka California ngatip ya kane kum ka nong khmat ka baningkong jong ka district bat kum juru kum ka nong thawan ya ka bangala tre haka liang ka technology ha Silicon Valley kala ong ngatip sisa ya kane kum ka khun jong ka scientist ka Kamala Harris kala ya thuru syapang ka kemi jong ka bat kala ong baka kemi jong ka haka arta ka bakhat khna snem kala lecha US dalade kum ka khna school nong India ka kemi jong ka kala jida ka UC Berkeley namar ka dei ka wei na ki school ba ka bahatam haka Pyrthei bat ka kemi jong ka kala helasan ru sha US kala ong baka kemi jong ka kala penlut por midbasngi haka jakale eksperimen hadu baka na long scientist.
India has inspired millions of people around the world, whether through philosophy and theology, the power of civil disobedience, or the commitment to democracy. Indeed, as I travel the world as Vice President, I have seen India's global impact firsthand. In Southeast Asia, Indian-made vaccines have saved lives and livelihoods. On the continent of Africa, India's long-standing partnerships support prosperity and security. And throughout the Indo-Pacific, India helps promote a free and open region. I also know of India's extraordinary impact with regard to innovation, medicine, and science. I know this as a daughter of California. I know this as a former district attorney, attorney general, and senator who has worked on technology with leaders in Silicon Valley. And I know this, of course, as a daughter of a scientist. My mother, at the age of 19, arrived in the United States by herself as part of the first wave of Indian students to travel here. She chose UC Berkeley because it was known as being one of the best universities in the world. And growing up, I remember our mother, spending day and night and weekends in the lab. She always asked the big questions and searched for the answers that would be a clue to improving the condition of life. She understood what was possible, unburdened by what has been. And since then, I think about it in the context of the work she did and her studies that have led to advances in breast cancer research. And I think about it in the context of the millions of Indian students who have come to the United States since to collaborate with American researchers, to solve the challenges of our time, and to reach new frontiers.
Haka arpo arterik ujelio ar hajar arpolai kabadai ka sisdang jong umodi ban lecha US umodi ula ïaroh ya ka Kamala Harris khmat ka US Congress ha White House ya ki kamba job jong ka